right, nice and easy now. Ian Pollard out front, Joe Osterman second, Claire Neely running third. Donnie McBride and John Wheeler with those two rustlers in the back. Nice and easy, 21 laps to go. 21 laps to go this time. All right, Ian drops to second. Joe Osterman out front, and that orange Traxxas Slash. Claire running third. Oh, easy, Claire. All right, give the leaders some room. Thank you, guys. Coming up on lap traffic. There you go. Good job, guys. Nice and smooth through there. Our point leaders are out front. Joe is the points leader. He's out front. Ian Pollard second, picking up a couple points tonight. And Claire is third. Then John and Donnie. All right, we got a good race. Joe is your leader, that orange Slash. Ian Pollard running second. Keep her nice and smooth, Claire. We got a long ways to go. 17 laps. 17 laps to go. Still a long ways to go. Ian slowly closing in on him. He's going to have to stay smooth. Stay nice and smooth here. Here you go. Looking good. Going through the S section. Oh. Oh, Joe getting some big air off that tabletop. Nice and smooth through here. Good race. Joe out front. Ian Pollard second. Claire running third. Still a long ways to go. 15 laps. Anything can happen. Batteries die. Parts break. It ain't over yet. Don't give up. All right, 13 laps to go for Joe. Ian Pollard running second. Looks like Claire's gaining on him. Now our leader's tied up over there a little bit. Close that gap up, you guys. See if you can catch him. Ian running second. Claire's third. But Joe still out front. Your points leader. Getting some big air off that tabletop. That's a stock Slash with a brushed motor. He's turning some fast times. Ian beat him out tonight for just a little bit. All right, Joe out front. 10 laps to go. 10 laps to go. Is anybody going to catch Joe, our point leader? He's getting some more points. Oh, we got track damage. Track damage. All right, Clary, give him some room, Claire. Move over for him, Clary. All right, Claire, pull off. You're broke. You're broke, Claire. You're done. All right, Joe's your leader. Still 9 laps to go. A long ways to go. It ain't over yet. Ian's still second. John's going to be moving up to third here. Claire is out. All right, looks like Ian's about a half a track behind him. Good job by our corner marshals. They step up for the Call of Duty. Faithful workers, track workers. Thank you, Tresh. 6 laps to go. 6 laps to go for Joe Osterman. All right, Ian second. John Wheeler's up to third. Donnie and then Claire. All right, it's 4 laps. 4 laps to go this time by. There's lap 18 for Ian. 22 lap race. John's on 14, Donnie 14, and Claire got 12 laps in. 3 laps to go. Oh, our leader spun out. He got tagged up there. It's going to be 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go. All right, Ian comes by that time with the lead. Joe second. 2 laps to go. Uh-oh, Ian's battery's going, I can tell. It's getting squirrely on him. Oh, 1 lap to go. Ian Pollard out front, Joe second. All right, here's the finish right here. It looks like Ian's got it. Oh.
Joe Osterman done.
Ian first. Joe second. John Wheeler, Donnie McBride.